Welcome. Today, I'll demonstrate how AI enhances business processes in the manufacturing industry using a fictional brand, ProGear Global. This brand sells motors and engines and also handles their maintenance. Each product has a support period and maintenance frequency. Based on these, an automated schedule is created in the system. If a maintenance is scheduled for tomorrow, an AI voice bot calls the customer to inform them. The customer can confirm, reschedule, or report issues, which are logged automatically in the system. Service agents also have tools to quickly access all relevant details before a customer call or taking any action. Let's see this in action. We have the PowerMax 702 equipment with a maintenance frequency of 2 months and a support period of 6 months. This means 3 maintenance schedules will be created. I'll now create a customer equipment record. Here, I'll select customer Joshua P as the owner of the equipment. Once created, the system automatically generates the maintenance schedules. Let's check the first record. It says, customer confirmation awaited. Joshua should receive a call shortly from the AI voice bot.
Hello, this is Alexa calling on behalf of ProGear Global. Am I speaking with Joshua P?
Yes, you're speaking with Joshua.
Thank you for confirming. I am calling to inform you about an upcoming maintenance for your equipment, PowerMax 702. You have a scheduled maintenance check-in on September 20th at 5:30. Please let us know if you would like to confirm this appointment or reschedule it to a more convenient date.
No, actually this is not possible for me, so I would want it to be rescheduled to 23rd of September, if that is possible.
Yes, that is possible. You would like to reschedule the maintenance for your PowerMax 702 equipment to September 23rd. Is that correct?
Yes, that is absolutely correct. Thank you.
If you have any immediate concerns about your equipment, please let us know.
Yeah, actually the equipment started making some weird sounds from last 1 week, and I think it could be because I have given my equipment to one of my friends for a few days, and after that I started noticing this problem, and it's actually troubling me a lot. Maybe somebody should look into this during the maintenance.
Thank you for letting us know. I've noted that down. Our technician will definitely look into this during the maintenance on September 23rd and address the issue with the weird sounds. Thank you for your time and cooperation. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day and goodbye.
As you heard, the AI adapts dynamically based on customer responses. Now, let's check the updates in the system. I'll refresh the page. The status has changed from customer confirmation awaited to maintenance schedule for September 23. An automatic case has also been created with details like the equipment condition and predicted service needs. The conversation transcript is also stored in Salesforce for reference. Next, I'll demonstrate the tools we've built for service agents. These tools allow agents to quickly retrieve information with simple prompts. Let's try. Get recent maintenance details of Joshua P for PowerMax 702. After processing, the system displays all relevant data, including the rescheduled maintenance date and other key details. Let's try another prompt. What is the maintenance status of Joshua P for PowerMax 702? The system summarizes all maintenance activities, including completed schedules, upcoming dates, and feedback from previous appointments. These AI tools streamline processes, saving time for service agents and improving overall business efficiency. Thank you for watching this demo.